Hey folks, as you can see, I'm here with the Landslide XT brushless. Pretty excited. I've been wanting one of these for quite some time, especially one this good. I've heard a lot of good things about this. So let's get started doing the unboxing. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than I expected it to be. Holy crap. That's awesome. Get this out of the way. Oh yeah, there you go, DJ. When you first get it. Alright. Wow. Got this. Well, these tires are pretty sick. Let's take off this plastic here. Like I said, I've been wanting one of these for a long time, especially one that's 4x4, waterproof. I like the body. Let's get a close-up of that. You see that? See that paint job? This is going to be on my Facebook page and YouTube page, by the way, so let's look inside. Well, these are even pretty well made compared to what I'm used to. I'm used to those little plastic ones. Like, oh well, can't find it. Yeah, I really like this body. Oh wow. That's nice. The skid plate. Check out these shocks. Look at those bad boys. This is like the real thing, man. I've never had one this good. I've always had those cheap knockoff from like China. Those, you know, those cheap ones. They don't last for nothing. This one should last me a long time. I want to thank Carr. He works at Red Cat. He's on my Facebook page. This is where I got this one from. He's a really good guy. He takes care of you. Obviously, I'm really pleased. I have another video coming up of my first test run on this. I guess that's about it for now, folks. Thank you for watching my video and giving me the time, giving me your time. Over and out. Until next time, it's Big DJ.